Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can track your sustainability goals using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, and we're going to ensure you're a pro at this by the end. To start, let's create a new base in Airtable. Think of this as your personal workspace where you'll be tracking your sustainability goals. This is important because it allows you to have a unique area dedicated solely to your sustainability efforts. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, creating tables for each of your sustainability goals. You might have goals related to water usage, energy efficiency, or waste reduction. Create individual tables for each goal. This helps us because it brings clarity and organization to our sustainability tracking. With your tables set, it's now time to input your data. This is where you'll fill in your specific targets and track your progress. You might add fields like target date, progress, and notes. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of where we are versus where we want to be in terms of achieving our sustainability goals. Next up, let's explore the different views. Airtable allows you to visualize your data in various ways, including grid, calendar, Kanban, and gallery views. Switch between these views based on your preference or the specific needs of your sustainability goals. This is a powerful feature of Airtable because it lets us see our data from different perspectives. Now here's something cool. You can create automations in Airtable. For example, you can set up an automation that sends you an email reminder when a goal is nearing its target date. Let me explain why this matters. These automations can act as your personal assistant, keeping you on track with your sustainability goals. And finally, we have the collaboration aspect. You can invite team members to your Airtable base, assign tasks, and track progress together. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By fostering collaboration, you're not just tracking sustainability goals, you're building a sustainability culture within your team or organization. So, there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to track your sustainability goals in Airtable like a pro. Remember, sustainability is not a destination, but a journey, and tools like Airtable are there to make the journey smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.